Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Instagram videos. First thing you want to do, let's launch the Instagram app. Let's look for a video that you want to download. Let's say, let's download this video over here. You want to click on the three dots on the top of the video. Then you want to hit the second option, which is link. When you click the link, you actually just copy the link on your clipboard. Now what you want to do now is you want to go to Google Chrome, right? And you want to look for app that is called snapinsta.app. Here you're going to paste the link that we just copied from your clipboard, and then you have to hit download. We're waiting a little, and then you will scroll down and you will find the video over here. You can download the video, and this is essentially how it goes. Quick reminder guys, I want to warn you to be very careful when you're clicking. There's a bunch of different ads, different buttons highlighted, so I want to make sure that you guys hit or click on the right button. Okay, for more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more.